Hey everyone, my name's Jonathan Gorham and I run a digital marketing agency called Engine Scout that specializes in e-commerce digital marketing. So today I want to shoot a quick video just going through some really high impact conversion rate optimization for e-commerce sites. So this is really focused on what are those things on a store that you can do to really increase conversions, reduce that cart abandonment rate, and also techniques for increasing average order value right away. So the example here I'm going to use is Underfit. So Underfit are a specialty men's clothing that's like these specialized undershirts and also underwear that they look like they sell as well. So immediately the store, in terms of design and everything, it looks awesome. I can tell straight away what this store is about. I can see these nice, tight-fitting, comfortable undershirts. But in terms of conversions, like some high impact things that struck me straight away was, first of all, was this video that you can see loads up. Straight away, it's like this baggy shirt, and I actually thought this was the product, and I'm sure a lot of people would just assume, oh, is that the shirt? I would just get rid of that first part there and just start with this part of the video where you're actually showing the product that you're selling. So it's just much nicer. You can see it's just like looks very comfortable, it looks soft, it's flexible. So it'd be perfect for underneath any sort of business shirt. You can see here, just sort of, look at that material. I would just go straight into this, highlighting that odor resistance and things like that. And then perhaps maybe, like a split view showing like a regular white t-shirt versus an Underfit shirt, and just like that it doesn't look puffy or anything like that. So I'll just get rid of that first, the first thing I see, that baggy shirt. Another thing is, reviews are awesome. It's super important to have them across all of the pages. But on the homepage here, they've got these reviews or like more testimonials from experts. It'd be nice to keep these, but also have, 2,000 customers also agree, and then it could be like a drop down with like actual customer reviews. Me as a customer, as a potential customer, I want to be able to relate to people like me who are also shopping for this product. So it'd be nice to see customer reviews about what they thought, people who have used the product for a while, their feedback, just to confirm, this product is definitely something that I really, could be the solution I'm looking for. And also here, so the underwear range, it's quite a far way down the page. So definitely be looking to get that up here, right up in the fold. It's one of the main products that they sell. So you could see they could keep the crew neck category, shop crew neck, shop V-neck, shop underwear. And if that's that might be a new product, you could have like a little cool like emoji with like new or just in store or something like that. You just organize those categories a little nicer there. So and also just here, it's down in the footer section. Your satisfaction is our priority. I actually like the copy here much nicer, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. And it's sort of there on the homepage, but if we stick it there in the footer, maybe a little badge icon, like a little guarantee icon, it's going to be there across every single page. Customers are going to constantly be reminded, 100% satisfaction guarantee. That would be awesome. So moving on, continuing the theme of sort of those high impact, high value conversion rate optimization opportunities. The category page itself, the first thing I saw, this wall of text, and I know that it's the content in there itself though is super high quality and really focused on the benefits. So lasting durability, it's 2 times as soft as cotton, eco-friendly, great breathability, superb temperature regulation, odor resistance, advanced moisture absorption, like these amazing benefits are just rolling off here. They're a little bit buried here in this sort of text. So, I feel overall like the customers that are coming to Underfit, why are they coming here? Why are they buying these shirts? It's probably because they do have some sort of problem, whether it's, they're suffering with like sweaty armpits during a presentation, or maybe they're playing golf in the morning and they don't want to be sweaty for work. So they'll wear this undershirt. So, they want something that's sweat absorbing or, reducing, something that regulates temperature. Maybe they have, bad body odor, like a lot of guys, odor resistance, highlighting these, highlighting all these benefits, have them all across the homepage so they're super clear. maybe adding some little icons, just making it a bit easier to see straight away, a bit of a design tweak. So yeah, I mean, that's what I would do for the category page, but also bring those benefits that are just so, powerful for the customer all across the homepage. And if we go to the product page as well, you can see, these little dot points here. Is tailored fit, stay fresh all day. I would definitely have this 100%. Some of the copy, if we just go back to the category page, for example, you can see here this like moisture wicking technology. Like that is something I would be putting all over the product page, just to confirm, like as the person looking, they're looking for that solution, that right solution here, that this is the solution for them. I have to get this shirt. Again, I mean, the customer reviews are super powerful for conversions. They've got over 265 reviews, but by default, when you first load this page up, and what most customers see is this, the 9 reviews, the 9 4.5 star reviews. So I would straight away make sure that this 265 reviews are by default there. Potentially just merge them together if it's possible. That's what I'd do straight away. This content here, like all this awesome content here, I would get this perhaps on the homepage as well. It's a little bit hidden down the bottom below all the reviews. Like I like these comparison shirts. This is great to get on the homepage and get it obvious. And again, we've got, this sizing guide is really helpful. If you're trying to find the right shirt, you can just enter your weight, enter your height, and it will recommend the right size for you. Like that's so convenient. But it's a bit hidden on the product page, down all the way down the bottom here. And also, that they're doing more than just like trying to make money. They're also giving back to charity. Like that's just a nice thing that I would be highlighting as well. So you could definitely stick a sizing guide here in the footer, so it's available on every single page. I would even strongly consider putting that in the header as well. You just want to make this shopping journey as smooth, as frictionless as possible for the customers. Also having the charities we support, just something nice and a nice little page for that as well would be something I definitely want to bring up. And then, finally, a nice, in terms of the product page, they could have like some pop-ups, Bill Smith just purchased 3, invisible underwear shirts, just something to, Underfit shirts, just something to confirm, oh, okay, cool, yeah, this is definitely something that I want to buy as well. That would be nice to put here as well. And, just maybe some breadcrumbs as well. Like I personally love breadcrumbs. I know a lot of people do, just navigating around the store. I mean, the store's not big, but it'd be nice to just be able to go back and look at undershirts. I know it's up there, but yeah, just adding those breadcrumbs would be just that nice little feature. So if we just go to the cart page now as well. So this is where, we're really starting to get further down that shopping journey. The customers are starting to get more committed. They're putting stuff in their shopping cart. So this is an awesome opportunity to do like upsells. There's something here, you may be interested in the underwear range, which is nice, but you could easily just have like a one-click, add, hey, try the new underwear range we've got, and add a one-click buy now or add to cart. And people, they're already added a few things to their cart that, oh yeah, cool, I'll get the underwear, offer it with like a 25% discount or some sort of, discount, try the underwear for the first time. So I'd add some more upselling options on this cart page. I do like that there's reviews here. You can see the reviews. But again, just like with the product page, it just brings up the 9 4.5 stars by default. So straight away, I'd want to show, the nice, healthy 265 5-star reviews. Just so people don't have to try and guess. That's good. It's good that it's there, but it'd be nice to get those on the 265 reviews. And finally, the checkout page. So again, there's reviews, which is great. There's some awesome trust signals here, like the satisfaction guaranteed, super important. Just to confirm. But another opportunity to upsell. People are reaching the checkout page. There's like 50% conversion rate at least. That's a chance to go. People will just go, oh yeah, cool, 25% off for a new, for first time buyers of a certain product. Yeah, I'll chuck that in the cart. It could be an option to add even products like bundles. People buy a couple of undershirts and a couple of underwear as well. People will love that. And especially if it's like just one click, add to cart, they don't have to go back and shop. That would be something I'd be wanting to add straight away. It's great to have reviews there, which is awesome. And one thing I actually haven't mentioned as well is there's no online chat. I would have an online chat through every stage, like across the whole site, including the checkout. Even if you can't have someone manning the chat, an option for customers to leave a quick question that'll get answered, via email or something. Just, if there's any last minute hesitation or, unsureness, you're there to support them through that whole shopping experience. So yeah, definitely getting the online chat there would be huge. So with that said, adding those high impact, tweaks straight away is definitely going to increase the average order value. It's going to increase those conversions, reduce that cart abandonment rate, which, as e-commerce owners, we definitely don't want to have. Or, if you're doing marketing for e-commerce, for sure, absolutely not. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, thanks. Bye.